Alright, we're heading out again. Bit of storm activity yesterday, but looks like it's clearing up now. There might be a spot shower, so we're prepared for it tonight, or more like tomorrow morning. It might hit us right when we want to fish. We'll see if we can get up to the spot before dark and absolutely give it a crack. 3 bite times, one for dusk, one around 11 PM tonight, and then another one in the morning. So who knows what could happen. Could be nothing, could be decent hookups. Heading out with T-Shark Tony. Haven't taken him out to the spot before, and we'll do a bit of four-wheel driving and hopefully get up there in the next hour and a half or so. We are on the bush tracks. Lots of fun heading down the beach. Beautiful WA bushland to go through. What do you reckon, Tone? Good to get you down this way. You up for a bit of a session tonight and tomorrow?
As long as my line's in the water, I'm a happy man.
Stuck at the top. We made it, but how hectic was that? That was probably one of the most hectic runs. It looks beautiful though, and we are set for a ripping time. After all that, mate, I need a soda and a sit down for a second. This is the least wind ever being here. Oh yeah, we're ready to cook. All of a sudden the adding of bacon has just made everything different.
That chicken's going to be awesome.
Chicken's going to be sensational. And now just toasting up some wrappage.
30 second, 40 second.
Can't go without the barbs. That is sensational. In front of a campfire. In places unknown. See, this is what we need to just keep remembering. Pineapple. What else did we want to add to the list? There's something else that you wanted to add before.
I don't know, what was it?
Can't remember.
This one's a bit crispy.
Yeah, it's been on too long.
Still add something.
Add something different.
Crunchy.
It's more like a taco. More like a taco now. Prefer it? Oh.
It's messier, but
mate, both times you absolutely like inhaled it. You got about halfway and then just had one more bite.
that was really good. How do you see the whole fishing thing? Like you've had a great start to the thing, fishing, your channel, all that sort of stuff going pretty good. What are you thinking? Like you were hell keen early and then
Oh, for now? Oh yeah, no, there's that's again, we've been possibly blessed with very rare conditions out there. So last time I was here, and the bite time I think was midnight, and I think it was 1 o'clock when I hooked up to something massive, and it completely busted me off, and it turned out to be where I tied on to the swivel. That's where it failed, so it was my fault. Couldn't believe it. But so it's rematch time, and we're on a half moon, so that's absolutely great. And then tomorrow it's either going to be, you've got to put in at least 2 out of the 3 sessions. If you've got 3 sessions and one gets sacrificed, so be it. But you've got to put in 2, because it's either going to be one or the other that you're going to get bites and catch fish, and you don't know which one it is. It could be either of them.
It's the beauty of it.
It's time to change focus. The next stage of the evening.
So we're getting ready, and what are we aiming for?
What time was?
No, what are we fishing for? What am I getting here?
Taylor Mulloway.
What? We're only taking one rod down, eh?
Yeah, right. Yeah, one. Just one to start with.
And then what are you fishing? 3 trebles? A treble?
No, just a snell.
You're just doing a snell
A snell with a size 4, yeah.
with a muley on it.
Muley wrapped. Alright, here we are. About to do the night session. Checking out some muleys on snells. Let's have a crack. Come to check on tone, having another crack.
Come and get me, baby. I think it's like a 4,000 or something. 5,000 Regal. So let's see if we can't snag something on this bag, old girl. She's in great nick with the old mono line. What he would have used.
What do you got on there, 30?
I don't even know what it was on when it came to me.
Yeah, it might be 20, 30. Looks like 30 to me. That's what you want.
But look at her, back in her day, she would have been
Should have been a pearler.
a master of the fleet.
Yeah.
Nowadays,
Old school Daiwa.
real old school.
It's all freaking tight. Yeah.
Oh, it's immaculate condition.
Better than the pens, mate. Oh, look at it. Has to have the touch
mate,
of wood.
look, it's got it all.
That's just, you know, the wood makes it. Surely. Righto, well, let's see if we get any bites. Something went to take that then, eh? Wow. Oh, you went straight through the middle of it. Look at that, chomped. Bang! And that was the first bite of the night. And we're only just getting started. Let's go. Alright, I'm going to chuck on 2 muleys at the same time. Why? I've got no idea. Let's see if we can get a fish with that. Let's go. Take it. Oh, that was good bites. Bit of wind and rain this morning. Still gonna have a cast. Let's get the bait out, see how we go. First catch of the day. Nice little header. A few more of them, I'll be happy. Chuck some fillets out, mate. Alright, we're getting lots of little bait fish coming through here. Conditions seem to be improving slightly. We might still get a drone bait out. Alright, we're actually going to get a drop out. First one of the day. It's cleared up a little bit. The mullet gets the tailor. Let's go chuck more chunks out. There could be Mulloway coming through.
He's fast.
No, I got him straight in the git. They're feisty, eh? Yes! Yeah! Oh! Oh! Yes! Oh! Oh! How much action now? They might have just been passing through, mate.